How to delete an order on Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete an order on Temu. First, open the Temu website and log in to your account. On the top, you will see special offers for you for the delivery guarantee, free return, and price adjustment. Click on the support option and select Temu Purchase Protection. You can also get help from here. In the support section, click on the Chat with Temu option. You can chat with Temu customer service right here. Type "I want to delete my order" in the text bar. Now, it will tell you about the procedure to delete your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.